In this video, I'm going to do with you the affiliate marketing for Amazon Associates. So we're gonna do from A to Z, going to Amazon, getting the product, then going to your affiliate account and getting the affiliate link for that product, and then going to YouTube, and then I'll leave you off when we start YouTube, and then you can go and do your own, do good on page SEO, and I'll do mine. Because I was trying to do right now, and I was like, let me do it with you guys. So let's do from A to Z. All right, so you go to Amazon. So Amazon.com, and usually you can choose the department here, any department, or you can type in the product that you want over there. So I usually was thinking today, I was thinking about health and household and the protein powder. You know, protein powders for helping people to be healthy, losing weight. I mean, if it's a supplement or something to lose weight, people like that because those are the products that's keeping healthy. So the products are here. You want to check a product that is good, that has good reviews, and that means a product is good. Look at this product, 29,000 reviews, and it's pretty good. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. I was thinking of a plant-based product, so look at this organic product. 12,000 reviews is good. So let's look around. This is the same thing, Superfoods. I guess different sellers. Probably the same seller. You can always know the seller if you go the product. Again is the seller, and if we go to this one, the seller is the same seller actually. I guess it's kind of like a little bit different. Plant-based protein powder, and then 6 grams of organic fiber, 21 grams of protein, 4 grams of net carbs. If we look at the other one, you just want to make sure 5 grams, 21, and then this gluten free. So this is gluten free, and the other one has less grams of carbs. So 5 grams of organic fiber, 21 grams of protein. So this one is gluten free, and this one has less carbs. I went to the same one. This one, 4 grams of carbs, and it's genetically non-modified. I mean, it's non-genetically modified GMO. So it's a good product. So we can choose to do any really. And then you talk about the description here. Puts that much, 1 grams of organic plant-based protein, and then really you can buy this product and test it out, and then you can give feedback. That's one way of really reviewing the product. So, and it's ideal for everybody. Then you can go to reviews. Look at the reviews here, the ratings. Look at the ratings here. So these guys are saying, I've lost that much pounds. I also don't crave the sugar and carbs as much as I used to. So that's one positive. So this guy say, so this person is diabetic. So you look for the good reviews. It mixes with almond milk, and you can recommend the almond milk because the regular milk, is more of dairy and it's more of, almond milk is always the best. So you look through, you do your research. That's very important. Anything that you put in affiliate marketing, you want to be uh, genuine with what you're doing. You don't want to just shove in anything that is out there. Don't fall for anything, because if you fall for anything, you you stand for nothing. But if you stand with something, that means people will trust you. So you can pick in the protein bar, you can pick one product, and then you can go to different kind of, on Amazon you can go to different kind of line. If you do this is a supplement, and then you can do something else to do with maybe losing weight. So don't do like 5 protein products. That will sound like you don't know what you're doing. You're falling for anything. You're just there to make money. But if you are trustworthy by giving out genuine reviews, then you'll be able to promote your link successfully, and you'll make money. So stand for something. Don't stand for everything. So I'm just reading the reviews here. Course by shrinking the amounts purchased or da da da. Look for positive reviews, and that's what you're gonna talk about. If you're not able to buy this product and test it out, and it's like $20, $22, so you can buy it and test it out and give your honest review, and even you can show when you're making it. You can take a video when you're making it. Rich and creamy. So you have to take your time. Looks like when you mix it, take some time to mix it so that it's fine and smooth, because it says here I get the creaminess, but that's only if I don't blend it long enough. So you have to talk about mixing it, taking time to mix it. If you read through it, it has to show, it's probably showing like how long you can mix it. So this person is using 50-50 almond milk and water. And it broke down quicker. The flavor is good. Yeah, you took up these things 1 to 2 minute videos. I've told you as always, and these things have been proven to sell because these are health products that improve people's health. And if 12,000 people have positive reviews, I would say, then this product is good. It's 4.2 maybe the rating here. If we look at it, the rating is here. So on average, it's 4.3 out of 5 on a 12,495 customer ratings. So this is a good product. You can choose, I usually say, high ticket product. With this, I'm going to do this product because I like this product. Okay, so we go back. Actually, we don't have to go back. Why are we going back? Just go to information here and get the ASIN. And then from here, of course, you go to Amazon affiliates. So I'll log into my account. Or you're logging into your account too. You can do this product, or you can find any other product that you like, but I like this product myself. So it does not take that long, but be Be sure you're doing something credible. Don't do anything, because if you do something that has less reviews and it backfires, you won't be able to sell. So I go to product links, and then I put the ASIN here, and then I get the link. So we get the link here, and then of course then go to YouTube and do a good page on SEO. That means you do this description of the product, putting a good keyword for the product. And if we go to YouTube, we can go to YouTube here and see plant-based organic protein powder. See, look at this, and then we see what they have here. They have, look at these guys here right away. It's 2 years ago, 6,000 views. Let's look at this. This is
pizza or salad.
So 100,000 views since last year, like 7 to like almost 8 months. 8 months, almost 80,000 views every month. And if 20% clicked through this that will be 16,000, and maybe 3% of that is 480, and you're getting like $1. That's $480 a month, or from one plant. I mean, from one product. So affiliate marketing is so powerful. So that's what I'm saying. You do one product, don't do another protein powder. Do one product and talk about it, and you can talk about it a couple of times. You can show videos of different videos. If you bought it, it's like $22. You show how you're making it, and then you can put out another link of the same product when you're just talking about it. Make sure that the product is legitimate and the product has many reviews. So you just go by the reviews, and if you're able to buy the product, you buy the product and you test it out, and of course it is good. It has many reviews of over 12,000 reviews of at least 4.3 out of 5. That's a good product. So these guys are making money by vegan protein guide that you can go and get it there. So these are affiliate links too, I believe. These are affiliate links. So I use IP or TubeBuddy that gives me the ability to get good keywords and to see what are people typing there and the amount, and if it's a good keyword. So if you go to TubeBuddy,
this is Kyle.
So when we said protein powder or organic protein, organic plant-based protein powder. So we don't know for sure if that is a good keyword. So you have to you go to TubeBuddy and put it in the keyword explorer, and then you'll see the rating. If it's good, if it's above 50, you want it as close to 100 as possible. So these are and then you put, of course, on the tags, you put all these. These are some of the tags. So that's how to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And if you found your product, go ahead and do that. So pricing here is $9. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, then it's gonna cut it into half. You can rack up your keywords for the next 6 months if you don't want to pay $4.50 per month, and then just cancel it within the first month. So this is a good product to start for starters, and I've been using it, and it's a good product. So I'm not pitching you or anything, but you want to use proven methods that will enable you to create a good on-page SEO for your videos, so that those videos will come up on the first page of YouTube. That's the whole point. So let's put out as many as possible. The more the videos you put out, the higher the chances that you will be able to earn commission, because people will be purchasing those products. But you have to do your work. Look for a good product with as many reviews as possible. Use the TubeBuddy to get good description keywords for your description, and then put out versions of your videos, like 3 of them for the same product, and stand on one product. Don't do almost the same different products with the same kind of benefit, like protein powder. Don't do like 5 protein powders. Stand on one thing, because people will judge you by what you do. And if they see that you're doing more than one thing of the same nature, they will not trust you, because they will know that you are just trying to sell them, and that's not good. So you're trying to get people to click on those links and buy, and they will always buy in Amazon, because Amazon has almost like 100 million Prime members. That means those people, they want to spend money, and they spend almost like $1,500 every year. Those I bet you are one of them, Amazon Prime members. So those people spend money. So the market is there. You have to give value to the market. What are you giving value? So you do your due diligence, be genuine, and do good product description. Put out a video that is describing the product, 1 to 2 minutes, and people will buy. So I wish you well, and I will see you in the next one. Comment below if you found value in this video, and like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and then you'll buy when we make new videos. We'll see you in the next one.